Welcome to our channel. Today we how to increase affiliate partnerships with Groupon detailed guide step by step clearly. To increase affiliate partnerships with Groupon, start by understanding the Groupon platform. Research various products and services that align with your niche. Identify potential merchant partners that fit your brand. Sign up for the Groupon affiliate program through their website. Familiarize yourself with the tools and resources available for affiliates. Create high-quality content that showcases Groupon deals relevant to your audience. Utilize social media to promote Groupon offers and drive traffic to your affiliate links. Engage with your audience by answering questions about Groupon deals. Network with other affiliates to share tips and strategies for success. Monitor your performance through the analytics provided by Groupon. Optimize your content based on what resonates most with your audience. Test different promotional strategies to see which ones yield the best results. Stay updated on Groupon's latest promotions and trends in your niche. Consider collaborations with other brands to expand your reach. Regularly evaluate your partnership's effectiveness and adjust your strategies as needed. Build a strong relationship with Groupon representatives for support and insights. By following these steps, you can effectively increase your affiliate partnerships with Groupon. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.